With high profit print on demand, the product justifies the price tag. However, the experience and the message and the feeling that someone feels as they discover your product is what's going to invoke them to actually purchase from you and actually lead to a conversion. So we have the products. The supplier that we use is based in the United States. We can justify the high price tag. Now, how can we create an emotional experience that someone is actually willing to pull money out of their wallet or pull the card out of their wallet and type it in and actually go through that whole process? You know, that actually requires a lot. It has to be something that someone really, really wants. So one way that I'm going to be testing out new messages is with AI writing. This is a free AI writing assistant tool. It's called ChatGPT. A lot of people are talking about it right now, but as far as I know, no one is really talking about it in relation to print on demand. So if you want to use this for product descriptions or landing pages or emails or whatever else that you need in your print on demand business, go for it. It's extremely powerful. You type in a prompt, and in this case, we're going to use it to generate poems and heartfelt messages that actually, some of these are better than what I could do, or probably what you could do, or even an actual, writer would have to sit down and spend a significant amount of time to figure out how to structure these poems. Whereas with this tool, we can give it a simple prompt. Within like 60 seconds, it will spit out a 6-line cadence, and we can pick the good parts from it and remove the bad parts. So as of right now, at the end of 2022, it is free to use. I recommend you jump in and you start using it now. So I put in a prompt: write a heartfelt poem from husband to wife celebrating 5 years of marriage together. So this is going to be really good for setting up an organic listing on Amazon or Etsy or Walmart for a husband typing in, a customized or personalized gift for wife for 5-year anniversary. And the poem that came back, again, this came back within like 60 seconds. It says, "My dearest wife, my love for you grows stronger with each passing year. As we celebrate our anniversary, I'm filled with joy and cheer. 5 years ago, we said our vows and promised to love each other true. And every day since then, my love, I have given only to you." It just really shows you the power of this tool. And you can literally tell it what to do, and it will rewrite it in the way that you want it. This is amazing technology, and I have figured that, if we can use it in a variety of applications in our business, why not use it to also create messages for our high profit print on demand products that will, again, hopefully evoke emotions. And these are completely unique. A lot of the times in print on demand, we see people recycling the same phrases, maybe changing a few words out, adding in a line or two that we haven't seen somewhere else, or maybe even literally just straight up ripping designs off other people. I've seen it so many times before. But with this, it gives you a way to quickly come up with 100% unique poems that you have never seen anywhere else, or you shouldn't have. At least I've never seen these anywhere else. I haven't seen these on message cards, and yet they're good enough. In my opinion, I think they could be on a message card. Create a Word document for yourself or a spreadsheet for yourself and start generating the poems inside of ChatGPT, and the ones that you like, start taking those and copy and pasting them into your Google Docs so that you can go back later and use them. It's my love for you, it never fades. As each year passes by, together we have climbed the peaks and braved the storms that pass us by. So that wasn't the best because they used passed by twice. The line underneath, 5 years come and go. 5 years have come and gone since we said I do, and every day since then my love for you has grown anew. Not bad. You are my rock, my steadfast guide, the one who makes my world complete. I'm so grateful to call you mine and to have your love so sweet. So that one's pretty good. I would take this one out and use that as a component that I would save to potentially test out for Valentine's Day, or for, in this case, for an anniversary card. First of all, the tool is free, so you don't need to invest anything financially. And then you don't need to invest that much time at all, because it literally only takes a few seconds for these to get generated, and then you can go in and actually add them to your cards. And if you haven't seen the rest of our series on how to design, how to research, how to build your Shopify store, integrate with Etsy, sell on Amazon, all of the other parts of the course where I teach for free how to sell high profit print on demand products, go and watch the rest of the course, because there's so much value and I just give it all away. So guys, go check out this tool, go try it for yourself, not only for message cards and for high profit print on demand, but also for anything else that you use written content for. It is a powerful tool and it is free. And guys, we have officially reached 1,000 subscribers in the community, and I just want to say thank you. Couldn't have done it without you, and there's so much value coming your way the rest of this year and 2023 and beyond, because the whole reason I created this channel was to just give back as much as possible and tell my journey, and also talk about the journey that I'm on now, because I'm definitely not where I want to be. And you know, filming this content, if it helps 1 or 2 people progress in their business and in their life, and it helps them through obstacles and challenges, that literally is enough for me. So I sincerely thank you guys, and until next time, have an amazing day, create something awesome. Bye.